Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to get this look here. These are press-on nails, you all, and I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make them last for upwards of 3 weeks. Let's go ahead and get started. So I am starting off with my bare natural nails, and I'm going to be using this round drill bit. I got all the products used in this video from Amazon, so don't hesitate to check out the links down below. Please keep in mind that they are affiliate links, so I will earn a small commission for them. But if you're looking to purchase any of these products, please look down below in the description box. And all that I'm doing is going around my cuticle and getting off all of that dead skin. That way this look won't have any lifting or any issues. This will make the nails last even longer. Moving right along, now I'm taking my Modelones Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I will be using this to dehydrate my natural nails. This is getting rid of all of those oils that will cause my false nails to pop off, because y'all know that the goal is to get these nails to last for 3 weeks. So make sure that you apply quite a bit of this. Now I am sizing the false nails to fit my natural nails. Make sure that these nails fit from sidewall to sidewall. That way you won't have any issues with them popping off or any water getting underneath them. Now I am applying that dehydrator to my natural nails again, and you all, this is very crucial because you want those false nails to stay on for as long as possible. So definitely make sure that you apply this 2 times. Now I will be using this acrylic set. This is acrylic liquid from Vafee, and also the acrylic powder is from them as well. This is just clear acrylic powder. And I will also be taking my nail primer that came from that kit that the dehydrator came in, and I'm going to apply my nail primer to my nail. I will be applying this before each acrylic bead application. Now I am taking my number 8 acrylic brush. This one is from Modelones, and I'm going to apply an acrylic bead and press that false nail on top of it. Definitely make sure to hold this down for a few seconds. And I will be repeating the same step as I go on to the rest of my fingers.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost.
So here are my hands after my false nails are applied, and now I'm going to take some of that Vafee acrylic and I'm going to apply it on top of the false nail. I'm doing this to add extra strength, but this is optional, especially if you feel as though the nails are already strong enough for you. And here is my right hand after it has been filed, shaped, and buffed. So now I'm going to move on to my left hand, and I'm going to file, shape, and buff this hand. This is the drill bit that I will be using to smooth out my acrylic nail. Now if you decided not to apply acrylic on top, then you definitely do not have to take this step. But I'm filing around my cuticle and making sure to smooth out that entire nail. Definitely make sure that this is completely smooth, because if there's any lumps and bumps, it's definitely going to show once you apply your polish.
Oh, I got to know, are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you, I've been thinking about me, I've been thinking this through.
Now I will be taking my nail file and filing the sides of my nails. You can file your nails to your desired shape. For me personally, I like Coffin, so that is what I'm doing. And now I am taking my Kiara Sky gel nail polish. This one is in the shade of You Make Me Blush. And I will be applying this to my nails. And today I will also be using my Melody Susie Top It Off Top Coat. So first and foremost, let's start by applying that Kiara Sky gel polish. This is coat number 1. And make sure that you're applying very thin layers, that way your lamp can cure it with no issues. And here are my nails after one coat, and it wasn't as opaque as I wanted it to be, so I went in with coat number 2. And as you all can see, that built my nail polish color up to an even prettier pink shade. I absolutely love it. And I will be curing this in my lamp for 60 seconds. This is a UV LED lamp, and if you're interested in purchasing one of these, y'all know that I will have the link listed down below. Now it is time for the top coat, and all that I'm going to be doing is applying a thin layer of this on top of my Kiara Sky gel nail polish. And this is the finished result. I absolutely love the way that these turned out. The cuticles look so flawless, and I just love the way that this pink shade looks. Let me know if you like them down below and if you will be trying this out. And my comment of the day goes to Molly Gibb. Thank you so much for this sweet comment, and if you are interested in being featured in one of my videos, just leave a comment. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.